Hello, everyone. This is Mrs. Vialba, and this week I will be talking to you about ways to increase your attention for your SEL lesson. Let's take a look at this comic strip. So, when we think about attention with Garfield, I've almost got you, cat. Mailman. Thank goodness for short attention span. Squirrel. So again, dog can't focus. We think of that, how they go off in all different directions all the time, right? I think another movie that they did that in was Up. So our check-in question today, what are some strategies that you can use to stay focused? Again, today we're going to be talking about focusing our attention so it can also help us in school and outside of school. Practicing how to focus our attention has many benefits. First, they calm the limbic brain activity, which allows us to have longer attention and emotional regulation. These two strategies are critical for getting the brain ready to learn. Our mindset or brain state is what allows us to persevere and embrace challenges and work toward change. So, why is this all important? Well, you can calm your mind and increased alertness for learning. We can do this through mind and body connection, taking deep breath exercises, having focused attention practices, and mindful practices. So when we talk about the SEL competencies of focused attention, we're focusing in on sensory motor integration. This is being able to demonstrate an understanding of body awareness, regulation, demonstrating self-control, and of course, self-management. Do you ever feel like you have too much going on inside your head? Kind of like a computer with too many browser tabs open. Maybe you're having thoughts about family or friends, worries about school or responsibilities, trying to remember all the things you have to do in one day. Or maybe you just have a song stuck in your head, or you're thinking about food, you're hungry, hangry. Well, as we take a closer look, what is mindfulness? Well, mindfulness is simply noticing what is happening right now. It's taking notice of how your body feels, what you see, smell, taste, and it's also noticing what your mind is doing. Then we can look at what are focused attention practices. Well, these are practices that are exercises to quiet the body and focus the mind. They help calm and soothe the limbic brain and allow us to return to a calm baseline. Close your eyes and picture all the colors of the rainbow. Listen to the cues as you will focus on relaxing a part of your body along with each color of the rainbow. So think of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Open your eyes. How do you feel? Calmer? What do you notice about your body? Are you more relaxed? Your mind, is it clearer? We can also do mindful minutes, and we're going to practice this here in just a second. Close your eyes and listen to how many sounds do you hear? Try and focus in only on one at a time, the trickling water or the bird or other animals. Again, we can use our senses to practice focusing. We can listen to sounds, find a quiet place, comfortable place to sit. Close your eyes and listen for the individual quiet sounds. Capture one sound at a time, block out the others. You can also practice feeling. You can use your fingertips, feel the sleeve of your shirt while you count to 10. Focus in on the texture. Only focus in on the texture and how it feels. What does it remind you of? Let's talk about when to use focus attention practices. Well, at school, for example, when we're feeling overwhelmed on a test, maybe kids around you are talking and you just want to work by yourself, you can't focus, you're thinking about after school activities or a conversation with a friend. And then we have outside of school. Maybe to start the day, you're distracted by doing homework. You can't fall asleep because there's too many thoughts going through your mind. You're frustrated, or when a sibling makes you feel annoyed or angry. So as we leave today, I want you to really focus and think about how can you use focused attention practices this week? Which strategy do you think you'll try? Thank you for listening and have a great rest of your week.